guys, Plunderluck here. Welcome back to the channel. So today we're going to be comparing the AirPods, the first generation, and the TWS i12s. We're going to be looking at the similarities between both of them, and we're going to be looking at the differences as well. So right off the bat, you can see that both of them, their build are quite similar because the TWS i12s are modeled after the AirPods, so their build are obviously going to be similar. Both of them charge with the lightning port. When we look at the back, both of them have a button inside to charge up, to activate the charging inside, but the indicator light for the AirPods first generation is inside, while the second generation is at the front. But for the TWS i12s, the indicator light is at the back. Both of them have a metallic hinge here, but the feel of the AirPods are more sturdy than the Impod 12. And when we look at the hinges, you can see that the AirPods is definitely more sturdy than the Impods. So let's take out the devices so we can compare both of them. So as you can see, once I took it out, you can see that the TWS i12s have indicator lights here and here, while the AirPods do not. Another thing is the height. It has a height difference. The AirPods are shorter than the Impod 12, the TWS i12s. The TWS i12s are longer than the AirPods. So why don't we connect this up and see and we're going to look at the sound differences between both of them. We're going to have a little sound test, and we're going to see which one fits you guys better based on the price range, because obviously their price ranges are completely different. So let's start with the TWS i12s first, and okay, let's listen to some songs. Okay, so I'm gonna put in maximum volume. So these are actually the Impod 12. These are actually the TWS i12s. These are not the AirPods. Okay, so now I'm gonna connect the AirPods to the device, and we're gonna see the sound difference between the AirPods and the Impod 12. Okay, so let's play some music again. Okay, I'm gonna connect the app. Okay, yeah, so the AirPods, and we're gonna listen to some music. That's the AirPods. So hopefully this has helped you guys decide which one of the two you're gonna decide on, because truthfully, apart from some little differences, most people are not gonna notice the difference between the AirPods and the TWS i12s. So it just depends on what you can afford, really. So I hope I helped you guys make a purchasing decision, and I'm gonna leave a link for the TWS i12s down below, and if you guys are interested in this, you can pick it up over there. Once again, thank you guys for listening, and see you guys in the next one.